So it is said that President Jacob Zuma has forced her daughter, or has given away with her daughter, her 21-year-old daughter, to marry a 56-year-old Swati king. Now, and they say it's for love. They say they love each other, which is like people are protesting against that. They say like the woman is forced, and this alliance that President Jacob Zuma is like, it's a business dealing. Is for presidents, or is for Jacob Zuma's benefit. He wants favors from the Swaziland king. That's why he's given away with his daughter, saying the daughter is forced, but people are also saying it's for love. Like, these people love each other. I don't see how can a 21-year-old woman love a 56-year-old man with a lot of wives, while her father is rich. Your father, this girl's father has money, but she gets married to a 50-year-old man who is about the same age with her father, with a lot of wives, because she's going to be a 16th wife on this Swati king. That 21-year-old girl is going to be a 16th wife to this Swati king. So, and they say it's for love. People are protesting that, saying the king has been ruling Swaziland for a lot of time, since the 80s. The king has been king since the 80s. So, and people are complaining that things are not well in that country. Like, they say 40% of Swaziland people, 40% are HIV positive. 40% of Swaziland people are HIV positive. Like, it's almost half of the people are HIV positive, and people are hungry and jobless.
Eswatini calls it culture and tradition, but it's quite controversial. 40% of the kingdom's population is HIV positive. In 2001, the king started a fight against AIDS. In 2005, he enforced a ban: no copulation with girls below the age of 18. But just days later, the king himself broke the law. He took a 17-year-old girl as his 9th wife.
Lethi indlala kulelive nekuhlupheka kulelive lethu sekusehlakala.
The king is rich, flying private, having owning private jets, having a lot of wives, having having the nicest time possible, while people are hungry, and he's taking a lot of wives, and now he's marrying President Jacob Zuma's daughter. President Jacob Zuma is putting himself in another situation after the corruption charges and all this drama that is following him with corruption. Now he's putting himself in another bad situation. So, do you think this girl is really really loves this man, or she was forced to marry this 56-year-old man? Comment here in the comment. They are going to get married. It's confirmed that they will get married. So it's just the wedding date that's pending, because Jacob Zuma is happy about it and all that stuff. So is this really a thing? Is it fair? Is it a good thing, or is it a bad thing? Comment in the section. Tell me what you think about the situation. 21-year-old girl from a rich family marries a 56-year-old man with a lot of wives. same age as her father. It's not a good thing.